Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today I want to talk about the 4 swear words of organizing. This term was famously coined from one of my mentors, Melissa Klug from Home by 11, and I just absolutely loved it, and I felt the need to share this tip with you this week. So if you're wondering what are the 4 swear words, the reason we call them this is because it will stop and hinder any progress that you might be trying to make with your decluttering session. So let's say you've pulled everything out and you start going through. The 4 words are should, might, could, or maybe someday. If you find yourself saying these words, I should keep this because it was a gift, or I might make this someday, then if you hear yourself saying that, it's time to stop and question if you actually are ever going to do that project, or if it was a gift, know that you have full authority at this point to donate or get rid of it or whatever you decide, because it was a gift to you and that's your decision. So as professional organizers, we like to give you accountability, but also give you permission to get rid of things that maybe you're never gonna do, to get rid of things that you just don't want anymore. And that is totally okay because it's your space and it's your life. So I want you to think about those 4 swear words of organizing. And if you catch yourself saying them, I want you to dig a little bit deeper, question it, whether or not you actually need to keep those items. All right, stay tuned. I'll see you next week.